Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of how to transfer files from your Android phones onto your Windows PCs and from your Windows PCs onto your Android phones. In the part 1 of this video, we looked at how to perform this task using an app known as the File Manager Plus. It's actually an Android app that you will install on your Android phones to perform this task. So we looked at it and then we used one way to do it. And in this video, we're going to look at another way to get files across from your Android phones onto your Windows PCs and then from your Windows PCs onto your Android phones. But guys, before we continue, please kindly click on the subscribe button down this video. Click on the like button if you enjoy watching this video and share this video once you are done watching it. You can watch the part 1 of this video. I'll make the link available in the description down this video so that you can watch the part 1 and follow along with the part 2. So let's get straight into it. So once again, on your Android phones, go into the Play Store, and guys, I need to mention that we are using the same application, which is the File Manager Plus, in the part 2 of this video. So tap on the File Manager Plus to install it, and then once installed, tap open to open it. And then in this section, in the part 1, we used the remote connection, but in this video we are going to use the access from network connection. So tap on that to continue, and over here you want to tap on the start service, which will start the file transfer service. It actually uses a FTP protocol, which is the file transfer protocol. So you will need to type that address in the file explorer on your Windows 10 or your Windows 11 PC, and then you'll be prompted to type in your username and then the password, and the username and password are also stated there. So we will move on to our Windows 10 PC, and then we'll type that address over there, the FTP //192.168.0.103, which is actually the IP address of the phone, of your Android phone, and then that FTP port number. So right click on the start button and then click on File Explorer, and then in the address bar we are going to type the FTP address that we saw, FTP //192.168.0.103, and then the FTP port number attached to it. Press enter, and then you'll be prompted for the username, which is PC as we saw on the phone, and then the password just as the phone states. Once that is typed out, click on the login, and then you should be logged in into your phone's storage system. So we can see the device storage and then the SD card storage. So let's go ahead and then try and then copy stuff from the phone. I'll copy these two music files, and then I'll paste them on the desktop. I'll go ahead and create a folder, call it from phone, and then double click to open it, and then paste those two music files from the phone into that folder on the desktop, and then it should be successfully, or you should have successfully copied stuff from your phone onto your PC through that process also. And then we'll try again by copying stuff from the PC onto the phone. So I'll go ahead and then open, I'll copy these three items on the phone, on the PC, and then paste them in the documents folder on the phone. So yes, you can see that those three items have successfully been pasted or copied and pasted into the documents folder on the phone. So let's see on the phone the files that we just copied onto the phone, those three PDF files. I tried using the same file explorer, but it wouldn't allow me, so I'll use another file manager to view the files. So I went into that file manager, tapped on the documents, and then you can see those three PDF files that we copied onto the phone. So yes, you can see that it was successful transferring files from your PC onto your phone, just as it was successful transferring files onto your PC from the phone. So once done with this process, go ahead and then tap the stop service, and then it should cease any file transfer activities between your phone and then your PC, and then vice versa. So once you tap the stop service, you can go ahead and then check on your PC and see. I'll go ahead and refresh that FTP link, and then you can see that we have no access to the phone again. It says a connection with the server could not be established. So yes, guys, this has been another video on how to transfer files between your Android phones and your PC, your Windows 10 PCs. Please subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, share this video, and then I will see you in another video. Bye.